Imagine walking into a room and without uttering a single word, people take notice. Their eyes follow you, their posture subtly shifts, and an invisible force commands their attention. You haven't said a thing, yet respect flows toward you effortlessly. Some call it presence, others call it charisma. But the truth is, it's an art. The silent language of respect speaks louder than words ever could. Now here's the problem. Most people try to gain respect the wrong way. They talk too much. They try too hard. They chase validation. And in the end, they push people away rather than pull them in. They don't realize that true respect is rarely spoken. It's felt. It's not about what you say, but who you are before you even open your mouth. And the moment you start begging for respect, you lose it. So how do you earn respect without saying a single word? How do you become someone people naturally look up to, trust, and admire? The answer lies in the energy you carry, the way you present yourself, and the unspoken signals you send to the world. It's about presence, discipline, and self-mastery. And when you master these, respect follows like a shadow. First, your posture. Your body speaks before your lips do. Stand tall, shoulders back, head up. A straight, relaxed spine tells the world you are grounded, confident, and unshakable. Slouched shoulders, fidgeting or shifting eyes scream insecurity. If you look like you're in control, people will assume you are. And assumptions create reality. Before we move on, if you like these videos and find them helpful, can you do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel? This small action helps me a lot, but most importantly, helps other people improve their lives. I am truly grateful to every single one of you. Thank you. Let's move on. Next, your eyes. They are the windows to your soul, but they are also the silent command center of respect. Strong eye contact, not aggressive but steady and sure, tells people you are present, engaged, and unwavering. It shows that you see them, but more importantly, that you see yourself as worthy of being seen. People respect those who aren't afraid to look them in the eye. It signals confidence, honesty, and power. Then, there's the way you move. Slow, deliberate movements signal power. Think of the great leaders, the warriors, the legends. They do not rush. They do not fumble. Every step, every gesture has purpose. When you slow down, people pay attention. It's the rushed, frantic, and scattered who go unnoticed, dismissed as background noise. Now consider silence. Silence is the most powerful tool of all. In a world where people talk too much, silence stands out. When you resist the urge to fill every empty space with words, you become magnetic. You make people lean in. The quietest person in the room is often the most powerful because silence demands attention. It forces people to wonder what you're thinking. And mystery creates respect. Another key factor? The way you dress. It's not about fashion. It's about presentation. People judge books by their covers. That's reality. If you dress like you don't respect yourself, why should anyone else? Clean, well-fitted clothes. Grooming. Attention to detail. Looking put together sends a message. I care about myself. And when you care about yourself, others instinctively do too. Beyond appearance, it's about energy. Energy is everything. When you walk into a room, people don't react to your words first. They react to your presence. Some people carry a weak, hesitant energy. Others radiate strength, purpose, and calm authority. The difference? Internal work. A strong mind creates a strong presence. Meditation, self-discipline, and emotional control shape an energy field that people can feel the moment you enter their space. The more self-mastery you have, the more unshakable you become. And unshakable people command respect without ever needing to ask for it. Another overlooked key: respect yourself first. People will only treat you the way you treat yourself. If you let people walk over you, they will. If you set boundaries with quiet certainty, people will respect them. If you show self-respect in how you move, how you carry yourself, and what you accept, people will follow suit. Respect is not given, it's mirrored. The world reflects what you project. Your surroundings also matter. The places you choose to be in, the people you associate with, and the environment you create for yourself all contribute to how others perceive you. If you're constantly surrounded by chaos and disorder, that energy seeps into you. However, if you cultivate a space of discipline, peace, and refinement, people will naturally sense your elevated presence. A person who commands respect is not just someone who carries themselves well, but someone who carefully curates their world. Furthermore, the way you react to challenges determines the level of respect you receive. When faced with adversity, do you panic, lash out, or crumble under pressure? Or do you remain composed, assess the situation, and act with deliberate wisdom? The strongest individuals are not the loudest or the most reactive. They are the ones who navigate difficulties with a steady hand, never allowing emotions to cloud their judgment. People respect those who exude stability in turbulent times. Another underestimated quality is patience. Those who are patient exude a quiet confidence that is impossible to ignore. They do not rush decisions, nor do they allow impulse to dictate their actions. They understand that control over one's impulses is the foundation of power. If you can delay gratification, maintain emotional composure, and move at your own calculated pace, others will naturally respect your authority. Physical fitness and health also play a role. A strong body reflects a disciplined mind. When you take care of yourself physically, you exude vitality, resilience, and confidence. Whether it's through regular exercise, proper nutrition, or simply carrying yourself with strength, a healthy body sends the message that you value yourself. People respect those who invest in themselves. Another powerful factor is generosity with wisdom. Those who speak little but offer immense value when they do earn the highest level of respect. You don't have to dominate every conversation, but when you do contribute, make sure it's meaningful. A well-placed insight or a wise piece of advice carries far more weight than endless chatter. Be a person of substance, and people will listen when you speak. Lastly, let's talk about presence. Presence is the ultimate secret weapon. It means being fully in the moment, undistracted, unfazed, and deeply aware. It's not about being the loudest, but about being the most present. Presence is power, and people respect power. So, if you want respect without saying a word, start with yourself. Your posture, your eyes, your silence, your energy, your self-discipline, your presence, your ability to control your emotions, your body, and your mind. Master these, and respect will follow. Not because you asked for it, not because you demanded it, but because you became someone who naturally commands it. And that, my friend, is the kind of respect that lasts forever. The most powerful individuals in history did not demand respect. They embodied it. They lived it. They became it. And when you become someone of depth, discipline, and presence, the world takes notice. You won't have to seek respect because it will be drawn to you effortlessly. It will linger in your wake, long after you've left the room. And that, ultimately, is how you make people respect you, without saying a single word. If you made it until here, leave a mind emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you reach the end and finish what they start. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and keep improving day by day. Together we are unstoppable.